Removing stains. Prepare the necessary materials. Lay the cotton cloth on your work area. Cotton cloth absorbs the stain while it is being removed. Turn the garment to its wrong side. Lay the stained part of the garment on the cotton cloth. Wear a protective equipment. Gloves protect your hands from harsh effects of chemicals. Apply stain remover and gently scrub the area. Apply more stain remover as necessary. For stubborn stains, soak the garment for 5 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn the garment to its right side and check if the stain has been removed. Place the garment in a basket for laundry.